Hello guys, so I just wanted to do a short video using EFT for pain, because in life, we all get injuries and different conditions that that can cause us pain, whether it be overstretching, doing something, a bit of physical work in the house and you hurt yourself, or an accident, or just a condition that's developed through time. So this technique, EFT, emotional freedom technique, can help with physical pain. So I'm going to take you through this process in a very generic way, because I'm doing a video that needs to appeal to everyone, and I'm not working with a specific physical pain problem. However, what I want you to do in your mind, if you're up for participating and going through the process, I want you to think of your physical pain now. Whether it be back, knee, neck, shoulder, whatever. So I want you to think of your physical pain. And then I want you to give it a number between 0 and 10. 10 the most extreme, 0 it's gone. So when you've got that number, just kind of park it. If you want to write it down, write it down. So we're going to do some EFT on this physical pain. And I'm just going to use the word physical pain as a tap, and I say certain phrases. And I'll stop, and then you'll say the phrase after me, which will be connected to your pain. Because we've set this up this way, your awareness will go to that physical pain, and as we're tapping, you might not be aware of it, but at the end you can see and check to see if it's reduced, because EFT is a really powerful process that can release and reduce physical pain. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, but I'm going to do it right-handed, I want you to tap this way. If you're left-handed, you can tap this way and come down. The other side of the face, if you're right-handed, you can tap this way. So this is a karate chop point. So if you just start tapping this point, nice and slowly. So I'll say a phrase and you repeat after me. Even though I have this pain, I've had this pain for so long, I've just got this pain. When I think about this pain, it just really gets me down. And I've got this pain. And even though I've got this pain, right now even, I completely and totally love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this pain, and I've got this pain right now, I completely and totally love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this pain, and I've had this pain for so long, and I really have had this pain for a long time, it really hurts. I completely and totally love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this pain, and I have got this pain, I've had this pain for so long, I completely and totally love and accept myself anyway. Okay, I want you to move to the eyebrow point, beginning of the eyebrow, bridge of the nose. Repeat after me. This pain I've had for so long. Side of the eye. This pain I've had for so long. Under the eye. This pain I've had for so long. Under the nose. This pain I've had for so long. Under the chin. This pain I've had for so long. And I have had this pain for so long. I've just had it for so long. And then under the arm, this pain in. So that's a short round of EFT. So just notice now, put your awareness on the pain wherever it was, and just notice the number that you gave it before, and has it come down a bit, has it changed a bit, and notice even if the pain has moved, has it moved somewhere else. So I'm going to do another round now, just to see if we can bring it down even more, because it might still be there and it won't have come down all the way. It might have moved just 1 or 2 points. So I'll just do another round. This just gives you an idea of what you can do as you keep doing rounds of EFT to help reduce it to the lowest point you can. Tapping the carotid chop point. Even though I still have this pain, and I do still have this pain, I've just had it so long, and it's deep inside. I've just had it for so long now. This pain that's deep inside, I completely and totally love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've had this pain, and I've just had it for so long, and I have this pain that's deep inside, and it is this pain that's deep inside, I completely and totally accept how I feel, and I accept me. Moving to the eyebrow point. This remaining pain that's deep inside, side of the eye. This remaining pain that's deep inside, under the eye. This remaining pain that's deep inside, under the nose. This remaining pain that's deep inside, under the chin. This remaining pain that's deep inside, collarbone, left hand side. This remaining pain that's deep inside, under the arm. This remaining pain that's deep inside. Now I want to go to the top of the head. What if I could let it go? And what if I could let it go? Eyebrow point. What if I could let it go? Side of the eye. What if I could let it go? Under the eye. But I've had this pain for so long. And I have had this pain for so long. The chin. I don't know who I'd be without this pain. This pain that's just deep inside. Under the arm. What if I could let it go? And what if I could let it go? Eyebrow point. Yeah, I'm open to letting it go. Side of the eye. Yeah, I'd like to be open to letting it go. Under the eye. And I wonder what it'd feel like if I could let it go, even just mentally. Willing to let go of this pain. I am willing to let go of this pain. The chin. And I am willing to let go of this pain. Letting go of this pain. Collarbone, letting go of this pain. Under the arm, letting go of this pain. And take a deep breath in. And then just think about your phone number backwards right now. What is it? It actually doesn't matter. So, tune back in now. What number is it now? Where was the pain in your body? Has it come down? Has it released? Has it moved somewhere else? So that's just a short process of EFT, which we can zoom in specifically to your pain, but I've done it more general so you can tune into your pain while still going through the process with me. So I hope you've got some benefit from that. And if you'd like to contact me to do some individual work on your pain, you can get in touch at marcusabraham.com. Thank you very much for listening. I hope